Good morning, dear students. Today we will revise page number 42 of chapter 4. In the previous class, we have revised the question answers and this exercise 1 that we have revised, and today we will revise exercise 2. Write a sentence for each picture. You can use words from the box. Options have given to us. We will see the picture first, then we will match the option that suits better, then we will write a complete sentence. For example, picture is says she is thinking about water and here is sun, so it must be she is thirsty. Second one is by watching the pic we can say that she is in a great anger. So we will write she is angry. गुस्से में है वो. Angry word have given to us. So we use very simple sentence. These are when we watch the pics, then we can write here she is thirsty, she is angry. Now they are two persons, so we can't write he, we will write they. So what they are thinking about? They are thinking about burger, so they must be hungry. So we will write they are hungry. So with they we use are, with she or he or it we use is. With singular subject we use is, and with plural we use are. With I we always use am. So just remember these things. By watching the pic we can say that they are hungry, so we will write they are hungry. Then number 4, picture is says that this boy is afraid. Afraid मतलब डरना, डरा हुआ. So we write he. सिंगुलर है यहाँ पे, कोई और नहीं है, so we will write he because he is a boy, so for boy we write he. He is afraid of snake. वो डर रहा है किससे? Snake से. So we can write by watching the pic, we can write the sentence he is afraid of snake. वो सांप से डर रहा है. Then number 5 is by watching the pic what we can assume? He is happy or he is sad? What? He is. What is the option that given to us? Tired we can use because he is not happy, so we can use tired. थका हुआ. He is tired. वो बहुत थका हुआ है. Then what picture says? The boy is happy. So because it's a boy, so we write he, and with he we always use is. He is happy. So by watching the pics we can write simple sentence. Next exercise. Fill in the blanks in each sentence with one of the following words and its opposite. यहाँ पे हमें ये जो वर्ड्स गिवन हैं ये फिल करने हैं, और यहाँ पे हमें इनका ऑपोजिट वर्ड फिल करना है. योर स्टोरी इज़ नॉट ट्रू, इट इज़ फॉल्स. तुम्हारी स्टोरी जो है वो ट्रू नहीं है, सच्ची नहीं है. ये कैसी है? झूठी है. सो ट्रू का ऑपोजिट क्या हो जाता है? फॉल्स. अ वॉइस एनिमी इज़ बेटर दैन अ फुलिश फ्रेंड. एक बुद्धिमान दुश्मन बहुत अच्छा होता है बजाय कि आपके पास कोई मूर्ख दोस्त हो. मतलब जब भी हम फ्रेंड बनाते हैं तो हम बहुत सोच समझ के बनाते हैं कि वो स्टडी में भी अच्छा होना चाहिए, वो टीचर का भी फेवरेट होना चाहिए, वो घर में भी सबका फेवरेट होना चाहिए, वो सबका कहना मानने वाला होना चाहिए, तभी हम उसको फ्रेंड बनाते हैं ना. इसीलिए अ वाइज एनिमी इज़ बेटर देन अ फुलिश फ्रेंड. सो वाइज का अपोजिट क्या हो जाएगा? फुलिश. आई लव माई कंट्री बट आई डोंट hate other countries. मुझे अपनी कंट्री से प्यार है लेकिन मुझे दूसरी कंट्री से नफ़रत नहीं है. मतलब कि अगर मैं अपनी कंट्री को प्यार करता हूँ इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि मुझे दूसरी कंट्री से प्यार मतलब मुझे नफ़रत है उनसे मुझे प्यार है. सो अपोजिट ऑफ लव इज़ हेट. द ओल्ड मैन वेप्ट बिटरली. वेप्ट मतलब रोना, बिटरली मतलब बुरे तरीके से. ओवर द डेथ ऑफ हिज डैश सन. जो बुज़ुर्ग आदमी है वो बहुत बुरे तरीके से रो रहा था अपने जवान बेटे की डेथ के ऊपर. सो अपोजिट ऑफ ओल्ड इज यंग. देन वी हैव वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट दैट इज फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब्स, दैट इज फुल फॉर्म and short form. Many a time we are doing that short forms. So I hope you all have understand till now that what is the short form. You have to remember these so that throughout your life it will beneficial for you. I am, am. You are. He is, he's. She is, she's. We are. They are. Are not, aren't. Is not, isn't. There is, theirs. That is, that's. Here is, here's. I have. You have. We have. They have. Have not, haven't. Do not, don't. So these are full forms and these are the short forms. You have to revise these both so that you can differentiate that this is full form and this is short form. So you learn these full forms and short form properly, carefully, so that whenever in the exam your full form come, so that you can make proper short forms of that. So just learn that where that apostrophe mark is here. So learn these page number 42 and 43 of this part, and tomorrow we will revise the next of the part.